Alright, we're going to do a short video here just to show you how we can remove the screen. This is an iPad 12.9 5th generation. We have it on the Nasan heating separator for 7 minutes on 85 degrees. And all we're going to use is these simple 4 tools that you see there. So we're going to let it get to 7 minutes and we'll show you in just a few. Okay, so as you can see here, I have all 4 corners. I have the suctions already tied down. And then as you can see, it's already starting to pop up just from the pressure. But all you need to do then is these knobs here, you need to turn them to your right. Kind of like the opposite of tightening. And what that's going to do is it's going to make the screen come up. And I like to do it evenly on all 4 sides. And then to assist it, you can actually put some 99% alcohol. I'll try on this side first. This is where it's starting to pop up. Just go along the edge. You can see just from having the suction already pulling up on it. And notice I'm not using any prying tools whatsoever. None. Look at that. It's already starting to lift up. Real easy. Real easy. Look at that. It's already up. What I like about the Nasan hot plate is you can just turn this, and now I can start working on the other side. Just gotta get the lever like this, and now I'm just going to start putting little bits of drops on here as well. And we're going to do the same here. Just turning that little butterfly up there, doing the same here. Slowly and nice and easy. Here we go. Look at that. Comes up so easy. Patience is the key, of course. Right now I actually got all 3 sides up. So just keep moving this over. I already have my heat and suction on the machine off, as you can see. I'm just using it to stage my removal. And the last part I have, this side here, I'm just going to do the same. Just going to drop a little bit of alcohol. And then if you want, you can also turn these little valves a little bit more just to get it off the plate. Or off the body of the iPad. I think 4 of these is like the sweet spot. I mean, you can technically put one here in the middle on both sides, but 4 should do it. And like I said, patience is the key. Look at that, it just came up nice and easy. So I might be able to see through it literally. So you can see I did not even use one single pry tool whatsoever. So tools is what makes a tradesman. So as I mentioned before, just use the 4 tools that I showed at the top. I'll put a link in the video description where you can get it. And then also, of course, this Nasan NASP5, you have it there, makes the job so much easy. And even when you're removing a screen like the iPad Pro 12.9-inch 5th generation. Now in this case, this is a screen replacement, but what if you were doing a battery replacement or camera replacement or some other part, charger port? You know you have a high-priced item when it comes to the actual display. If it's a good working display, you don't want to be that person that damaged it for your customer. So make the job so much easier for you and use the proper tools for the job, and you will be a happy camper, and so will your customer. Until next time, please hit the like and the subscribe button. We'll see you on the next video.